On May 5, 2024, a road rage incident in Huber Heights turned into a high-speed chase and an officer-involved shooting. Police say the suspect fired at another driver, rammed his car, and then led officers on a dangerous pursuit, even pointing an AR-15 style rifle at them before being shot and taken into custody. Here's what happened.
Get on the ground! Changing! 99, shots fired! Let me get a rifle. Got it. I think I...
Get on the ground! Do not move! On your face! Get on your face!
Okay, where are they at?
Motherfuckers!
Shut the door. Get your hands behind your back. Do it now.
We got it.
Yeah.
Don't do anything fucking stupid.
Watch him.
That guy's trying to kill me tonight, man. He's been threatening to kill me. He's trying to shoot me.
Ken, did you say one secured?
Is he shot?
Negative.
He's trying to shoot me, man.
Get us a medic. He's shot.
The guy is trying to kill me. He's been stay on your stomach.
Roll in medics. Do we have an address for one shot?
I'm trying to kill me.
945
I'm trying to kill me. Give me a call.
Yeah.
Clark County Sheriff's Department. I swear to God. Detective Moody.
Shooter secured.
Either Jason Watkins is trying to kill me, man.
Where are all you hit, bro?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
You got one good bleed.
All right.
Watch my back.
Yeah, I got you. These people are trying to kill me, brother. I swear to God, I'm not doing nothing wrong, man.
Is he shot?
Oh,
Yes.
call Jamie Payne and Detective Moody, please.
Can I look?
Call Detective. Stay inside. Sir, 937.
Let me see.
Please call, sir.
You're clear, right arm.
Please call him.
Among others.
Roll.
Please call him.
Figure it out. Just, Dan, do I have somebody with the other units or
Hey.
y'all?
Get somebody on that gun out back.
Sir,
Don't know yet.
Give me a light.
Clear thing.
You have any other guns on you? Other one you just threw down.
no, sir. It's a BB gun.
Why would you do that, dude? That was fucking stupid.
That guy's trying to kill me, man.
Yeah, but I'm not. Look
Oh
what
my
you
God,
just
that
did.
fucking hurt. Oh my God.
It's gonna hurt, but I gotta make this bleeding stop.
Fuck. Ah. Please call them.
Here. Lay flat.
Please call them, man.
I'm good.
Mother died.
I hope not, man. Just keep talking. What's your name?
Please let me die. Please let me die, man. They're trying to kill me anyways. Just fucking let me die,
You're
please.
clear. Dealing with the resident.
I have mutual aid closed. New Carlisle Pike. Put the guy.
His name was Kenny Hott.
Okay.
Do what?
Mutual aid. We need New Carlisle Pike shut down.
Okay.
Do we need more tourniquets, or
I think just one. You see any of the legs?
do you have?
What? Huh.
14 on off.
Hey, is that an LIS?
We are at LIS, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
10-4 LIS.
Hubert 112 records.
Are you guys good?
Yeah.
10-4.
Parents' eyes. Don't. That. Stay there. Medics are coming. Hubert 112 records.
Hey, will you please call them?
As soon as
Please call Detective Moody.
we're gonna get there.
Who will tell you that this
Yes.
guy is trying to kill me, man? He's made threats on Facebook. He's made threats to other people. He's even told the police that he's going to kill me.
I understand. We're gonna get a hold of
He
him.
shot at me tonight, man. He's trying to kill me, man. For real. I don't know what to do. I've already turned this shit in, man. I mean, what the fuck am I supposed to do, man? I don't even have a fucking house to live in. God damn it.
Sorry, emergency. Call her and make them to Shell. Them secured. Target info. Yes, sir. We've got them on the phone now. They're around.
I'm not about to. Can they do something for him?
Our medics are coming, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Super 110 can medic center.
Fucking shoot me and kill me, goddammit!
Stop.
Fucking kill me!
Stay.
No,
Stop.
fuck you!
Stop.
Kill me! Kill me!
Stop.
They're gonna fucking do it anyway, so why don't you guys just fucking get it over with, man?
Stop.
God
damn it!
Call for when you get
Stop.
time.
Will you call John Kissy, please?
Yeah. Hold on. We have certain things we have to do.
I'm not a fucking bad person, man.
Nobody said you were.
God damn it, man. I've never been fucking shot before.
Medics are coming. They're gonna take care of you.
Fuck you, like, this motherfucker trying to shoot me, man. Damn, man.
Yeah, just call her while we start checking in that area wherever he saw that. Something
Can he
fly out.
sit still, please?
I'm trying. I'm fucking armed.
Hubert 112.
Go ahead.
OL, we didn't copy.
Go ahead. Kenneth Todd Jr., 42-year-old male from there is an active TPO protection.
Hey, man, can
Actually,
you walk?
stuff. Caution for armed and dangerous violent tendencies.
Do everything. I think we're better off with
It's clear. Go ahead and print it out.
we'll search. I know he can't do it. But I call for another.
We got a knife in our pocket. Just be aware on the right side.
You have any other weapons on you? Right over here.
King, just keep an eye on them for me, will you? So, just, you know.
Yeah, on the right arm. I don't know where else it is.
check.